everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be making a black bean and rice dish using some Mexican spices. And to get started, I'm going to chop up my vegetables. I've got an onion here, a sweet onion. You can use whatever kind you want. And then I've got 1 jalapeno fresh and 3 baby bell peppers. I'm just going to roughly chop them. And then I'm going to saute them. I went to Jackson's Orchard today and I got me some cilantro, got me some fresh tomatoes. So I'm going to use that today, making this. I'm going to be using some avocado oil in my skillet. Now to the avocado oil, I'm going to add my peppers and onions and saute them. I'm going to add some pink Himalayan salt. It smells so good. Here's some of my pretty tomatoes I got from Jackson's Orchard. See how pretty? I'm going to dice them up. You want about 3 to 4 tomatoes chopped up. Just roughly chop them. I like the bigger chunks. Look at those beautiful colors. Okay, I'm going to add some to these diced tomatoes. I'm going to add some pink Himalayan salt to them. It helps bring out the flavors. Now to this, I want to add some of my taco seasoning I've pre-made. If you don't have any pre-made, you can homemade. You can make your own. You can use a store-bought or bake your own. It doesn't matter, whichever one you prefer. Just just want to toast them a little bit. And I'm going to use this kind of rice. It's a royal blend. It's got 5 different kinds in it. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use a cup of it. And I'm going to toast these around with the seasonings. This will be great for Cinco de Mayo. It's coming up pretty soon. You just want to let it toast a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to add some chicken broth to the rice. About 2 cups of chicken broth. Then I've got a cup of black beans that's been rinsed and drained. To this, I'm going to add my diced tomatoes. Look how beautiful. Now I'm going to chop up some of my fresh cilantro that I got today. I'm just going to add this to the skillet and let it cook. Some of the stems are fine, just chop them up. That smells so good. When you want to bring this up to a boil, and then you let it simmer for about 25 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes. I got some lime I'm going to squirt in here. Lime juice. Turn it down to simmer and let it simmer about 25 to 30 minutes. Look at that. Don't that look good? There you go, black beans, rice. Some Mexican seasonings. It looks delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.